Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make shirts using Canva AI. Go to ChatGPT first, and I'm just going to add this first. You can also add in anything that you'd like. I'm just going to use this, and then, oh, hello. Then I'll just go back to Canva, go to Canva AI for this, and then design for me like this. And then here you can do logo, you can do anything you want. I'll just do the illustration, of course. I'm just going to press enter. So let Canva think for a while. Let's do logo. Maybe I should have just done the image. So cute, kitschy culture, vintage vibes. And if you want, you can kind of edit the images later on. If you want to, you can just do like an illustration for a shirt maybe. Style. Let's do like pop art vibe. Oh dear, okay, hold on, let's try something else. Fashion. It's like it has generated like down here, I guess. Actually, let's use this one, and then you can kind of edit it. So open an editor. Probably change the like resolution, so like maybe like 1 by 1. Just reading. Okay, let's do this one and just press edit. And then you can like add some text. If you don't know like what text to add, here I'm just going to make the background black. For instance, it's like on a black shirt. If you don't know like what text to add, just add like maybe, hold on, where's the prompt? Make me some retro taglines to go on a shirt, maybe. Let's do Atomic Cool Baby. That's cute. Make cool baby. Wait, is that how they... Oh, okay. Let's just adjust that later. I'm just going to do this first. Whoops. And then I'll try to like find a retro font here. I think I like this one. I'm just gonna make this smaller, I guess. Something like that. And that is it. Super easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.